Hi, welcome back to the Big Smile Editing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of a background in Adobe Photoshop. First, select your Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. And click and drag over the smartphone to select it. Click on the adjustment layer, and create a solid color. In the color picker, I'll just select red for now. Let's name it Background Color. Select the mask. Press Ctrl-I to invert. Change the blend mode of this layer from normal to multiply. Let's go back to this. You can choose whatever color you like. So I'm going to select that. Press OK once you're satisfied. And that's it. Thanks for watching.